In extracellular matrix, these compounds, as we have already mentioned in the case of GAGs, that in extracellular matrix they interact with other molecules, they give specific structure, specific characteristics to the very ground which is present in the extracellular matrix, and that makes the ground substance, and they influence many activities over there. Many secretions, especially in mammals, they contains the proteoglycans. They are also involved in many cellular signaling pathways because they act as signaling molecules. They also are very important adhesion molecules. The basic structure, if you want to learn about it, it's important first of all to keep in mind that it's made up of two moieties. One is the protein part and the other is the carbohydrate part. Let's we see it. So if you see, these are the different monomers, what we say, of the proteoglycans, and they are linked with a linker molecule or linker protein, and they contain the linker molecules is a hyaluronic acid, and in this way they make a structure which is quite enlarged, and it covers almost the we can say very major part of the ECM, that is major part of the extracellular matrix. Then as far as the individual monomers are concerned, individual monomers of the proteoglycans, they consist of GAGs. The GAGs are made up of two different units of, as I have already mentioned you, they are made up of amino sugars and acidic sugars. These amino and acidic sugars then are connected with the main protein through a bonding, and that bonding occurs in the way that the carbohydrate moieties are attached with the serine amino acid through specific linkage, and as a result you get a full molecule.